How much pain can you stomach before you decide to become a trend trader? All right. In other words, when do you, as a trader, take responsibility for your trading mistakes or your trading errors, right? When do you decide to embrace going with the market instead of going against the market, right? Guys, there's only two types of trading styles out there. You're either a trend trader or you're a counter trend trader. And to be honest, I do think that both type of people can make money, but in my humble opinion, I don't think there's anything that can compare to a trend trading style. I mean, this is from today. We had one of the most powerful rallies we've ever seen, and this thing stayed green all day. And not only did this volume indicator stay green all day, but it gave us a textbook perfect retracement within the context of a trend. How many times have you heard me talk about these retracements, right? So let me tell you what happened today, okay? And in fact, today was a continuation from the powerful trend that actually started yesterday, all right? Can you see right here in the previous session, this volume indicator, which is this green and red color band? Remember, guys and gals, this volume indicator has one job and only one job, and that is to tell you who's in control at any one moment in time. When it's red, the sellers are in control. And when it's green, you know that means the buyers are in control. And shame on you if you tried to short this market when it's so obviously green, right? But anyway, we had a trend change right over here, okay? This is the exact moment in time where the volume indicator changed colors from red into green, and this lets us know that there's a potential bullish trend change, all right? And when that happens, the way that I do my technical analysis is I do nothing, right? Instead, I want to wait for the market to establish a little bit of upward momentum and then come back and give me a nice little pullback. When I say pullback, I'm looking for color matches across the board. I got to see a green reversal bar, which is this one right here, print directly on top of the green color band, and this signal bar has also got to be under the band. Makes sense? And as you can quite clearly see with your very own eyes, the market just took off yesterday. This was the exact long signal within the context of trend via a pullback. Now let's take a look at today, right? This is from today. We closed out the week so strong. I think we're going to see some continuation strength next week, okay? But for the moment, just look at this chart. Just simplify it. Okay, number one, the volume indicator is green. That already tells me what direction I want to play it today. I'm long, and I'm only looking for longs. All right? Shame on me if I tried to short this market or bet against this market when this indicator is green, right? But when I'm looking for longs, I want to do it like this. I want to wait for a nice, beautiful retracement, pullback, whatever you want to call it, right? And that's not enough. I still want to wait for this exact pattern to show up. This is a green reversal bar. Let me really highlight that for you. All right, it's a green reversal bar that closes on the color band, and the low of that bar is underneath the band. That's it. This is all we look for every day, every week, every month. All right, guys and gals, make it simple on yourself, man. Stop looking at these garbage charts, these counter trend trading charts that are so misleading, and in my opinion, they're so inaccurate. They're trash, right? I don't know where a trend starts. I don't know where a retracement is. I know nothing from this chart. But the sad reality is, a lot of you guys and gals out there were using this chart today, and you got your face chopped off as you tried to bet against this market. Now, for those of you guys that had the vol indicator and you were trading the S&P 500 today, I already know how you did, right? Because today's trading was like taking candy from a baby. It was almost too easy. So listen, guys, here's two takeaways. Number one, congrats to all of my customers, especially if you're new to the volume indicator profile and you're new to trend trading. Congratulations. All right. If you had this indicator today and you used it properly, you crushed it today going with the trend. And takeaway number 2, for those of you guys that still don't believe in or don't understand a trend trading system, then get in touch, educate yourself on trend trading systems, trend trading styles, and really get a feel for why they work. All right. In my opinion, this volume indicator, you can't beat it, man. And you know what's funny? Look at this. We had another perfect retracement pattern show up at midnight. Now, obviously, not many people could participate in this because you're sleeping at midnight. But you never know when the market's going to give you an opportunity like it did today. You just never know, right? And that's why we do this. That's why we as traders try to trade every single day. We show up to our computers with a good attitude, a good mindset, and we look for good setups. All right? And in my humble opinion, this right here is how you win at trading. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.